following short segment is extremely important. In order to benefit from the optional links below, select and join the programs you prefer. Next, go to your Account tab and click on Profile. Be sure to update your profile by entering your new usernames from the programs you just joined into the related fields. Then, be sure to click on Save Changes on your profile page. Your links will now be live, and they are automatically in everyone's back office, meaning your members will see your links in their back office and join you. Be sure to visit our Craigslist training under your Marketing tab above. There, you will learn how people will see your BEW link for free. You are now maximizing your leverage and efforts by only sharing your BEW link. With this method, you will be multiplying your earnings as others do the same. Clearly, leverage is the little-known secret method of the rich and famous. BEW easily puts you in position to receive and make more. Let me give you an example of what leverage can do for you. We each have only 24 hours of opportunity to earn in a day, unless you have people working for you. So, if you have just 10 people working for you, you now have 240 hours of opportunity to earn in your day. The more people on your team, the more hours of opportunity you have to earn. This is a simple formula that always wins. Any questions? Please contact us below. We are only a phone call away.